Hello everyone. Today we solve the problem number 1674. Problem name is the minimum move to make a array complementary. First we can understand the problem, then we think a solution like what we have in for a problem. Uh, we have to given nums array, even length, size of n, and also we have given a integer limit, we have problem like that, we can see in example number one, like we have a nums array uh, that is equal to 1, 2, and 4 and 3, and also we have given limit is equal to 4. uh, what is the actual problem is the we have make a pair of nums I plus nums n minus 1 minus I is equal to all the array element. Then we have, uh, if it is not, then we use the limit from the 0 to given limit, like 4. We can see in the example, make a uh, array. In this case we have index 0, 1, 2 and 3. Like if we make a pair of nums I and plus nums n minus 1 minus I, then we have two pair of there, like we have 1 and 3, and 2 and 4. Also we have one pair 3 and 1, and 4 and 2. You can see we have a 4 pair. We have to compare um, sum all the value, like this and this and this and this and this and this. All must be equal to same. If it is not same, then we have given limit 0 to 4. We have to change that value, then make it equal to all the value equal to sum, and we have to count the how many value we can change in the our original array, then return the count of that. In this case, like we have sum of the 1 and 3. If we have a sum of 1 and 3 is equal to uh, index 1 and 3 is equal to 4, and then 3 is equal to 4. We have sum of 2 and 4 is equal to 6, and this is also 6. We can see it is 4 and it is 6. We have to make all the equal to 1, like one value. Like we if we take 6, then we have to increase the one value. Like if we take 1, 2, uh, then we have to change that value 2 and 3. Then we see if we 1 plus 2, that is equal to 2, 3. No, sorry. Uh, we have to pair 1 and last, like 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Then we have to pair 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Also we have pair 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Uh, like that, we change uh, value of uh, 4 to 2, that make all the answer is equal to same. Uh, we have to return which how much value we can change. We change uh, 4 to 2, that is only 1. Then we have to return that value answer. Uh, we can solve this approach. In this example, we can see like we have to pair of 1 and 1, and then 2 and 2. There is equal to 2. There is equal to 4. In this, we have to change the uh, both value. Like we have to change the for making equal to, we have to change 1 equal to 2, then 2. That and then 2 equal to 4 and 4. It's make equal. Then we have to return the how much value we change. We change the two value. That's why we return the. In this case, both are the equal. Like we have 1, 2, and 1 and 2. In this case, we have pair of 1 comma 2 and then 2 comma 1. Both are the equal to 3 and 3. Then we don't need to change that value. Also, we show the constant of our uh, problem. Like we can't n is not greater than 10 to the power 5. We have to solve this problem, not make problem n square, big of n square. We have to solve this problem in big of n, or the log n, or n log n. That are the possible time complexity. If we uh, make a solution in n square, then that it is so TLE. TLE. So this is our solution. Like uh, we have to make a one loop for the make a first. We have to make a one vector that store the, like we have to limit in which we have to start with 0. Then what is the maximum limit? Maximum limit is a 2 into limit. Like if we if we have a uh, limit is 4, then we how much we can maximum, like if we change both the value like 2, 4 and 4, then how much maximum it will be 8. It is limit. If limit is 4, then we can store from maximum limit to 0 in our vector. Then we for save the value, we have to find out the make a for loop for nums array, uh, from starting from the 0, and it go to the n square less than n square. And first of all, we can make uh, a variable in which we store the nums I, first value of the I. Then we store make a b. Then we store that uh, uh, nums of n minus 1 minus I value in b. Then we make a what is the maximum highest and lowest value of that. Like if we have a range, like we have a limit of like we can say 2 to 8. That is our sum is equal to, if we have sum is equal to 6, uh, and that is our limit. Then it is the a plus b, like a sum is a plus b. Then we lowest value, we find out a first lowest value for that, uh, and we find out a maximum value. How we can find out a maximum value? Maximum value we can from a and b, we take a maximum and then plus to limit, that is equal to our limit in this range. If we have a make a minimum limit, then we have a line on that point. Then we have to find out if make a different cases. Uh, if we have a lower than the lower limit value is lower than sum is the lower than the lower limit, then we have to change the both value, like a plus b. Then we have to, if lie on this range, then we have to change both a and b. If we range on this range from 2 to some, then we have to change only one value. Like we have to change uh, uh, a, not change b. A, otherwise, if we have this range, then we have to also change one value. Like a is same and b is changed. If we have range above than the limit, then we have to change both the value, like a and b both. Uh, uh, that is the our total count, we can say, uh, like that. Like if we have limit is change more than 2, then we store the less than 2, then we store the 2. If is more than 2, then we can change both. If we limit have lower range in this point, then we change the 1, uh, minus 1 value. Then if limit have a higher range in this and this, then we have to change that value. If we have the sum is lie on the same point, then we don't have to change that value in vector. Then we save the all the value in the our uh, diff array uh, vector. Then we have to make a prefix for that and count the what is the minimum value of the our answer. Like we make a answer for int max value, we take a maximum value of possible, then we take a minimum value of the possible, then we make a one for loop starting with 2, because the we have the minimum limit is 2. Then we traverse 2 into limit is the highest limit of like that. And then we check uh, uh, and change the value current uh, target, and then we store the minimum value of that, and that minimum value will be our answer, and then we return that value. That is our final answer. uh, its time complexity is the uh, we use the uh, we make a one loop for traverse the nums. That's why it's n, plus we have check for the value. We can say its limit. And then space complexity is uh, space complexity is a big of, and for we use the one extra vector. uh, let's run this uh, code in our lead code and see how many test cases are passes or not. Like I already written the code. Let's run that. Okay, we see the same code I can write in the lead code. Uh, or all three test cases passes. Let's submit. Okay, we successfully passed all the test cases and submitted our code. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then uh, uh, subscribe my channel also. Thank you for watching.